So here we go at Kaylee's, the plant-based place. Got me some tea, chamomile. Here's a Mexican pizza. We're gonna see how Mexican-y it is. It looks delicious. Then my man here, Paulie.
Shout out.
Finally got a day off work. He's hitting up the chicken burger. Oh dang, that's double patty. That looks pretty good.
It looks really amazing.
Shoot up the Sunday.
On Sunday?
Yeah.
You want me to start from scratch?
No, you good? It's filming already.
Oh, it's filming?
Yeah, it's already filming.
Oh, I couldn't see stuff. Okay, cool.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, awesome. So this is an incredible milkshake. It's really amazing. Okay.
Come back, shoot out.
Okay, do you guys see it? It is incredible. This is really incredible. I'm about to dive into this. So yeah, let's see.
So we are about to dig in, eat a little. I am definitely gonna let you know how this vegan pizza is. I've been looking for vegan pizza since I've gotten here. And the one place I tried, Romano's or something, it was horrible. I give them a 0 out of 0. They should have just closed down.